all our watchers, no, all the basketball fans, wala ng ating first quarter.
Doon nakakuha ng dalawang free throw doon. Itong si Michael Calisaan. Mukhang ito ang designated defender niya. Although ang gandang galaw, pinakita. Pinupuntahan nila itong si Estrella on that corner. Coach AG. Preta. Back to Costello. Calisaan. Ano ang gagawin ni Calisaan dito? Bradwin Quinto, binababa ang bola. Papasahan si Costello. And that, using the glass is Costello at nakakuha pa ng foul. Ito rin ang pinapakita sa atin para sa ball game ito, Coach AG.
Well, you know, 91-89, I felt that was a very high score. Something that JRU cannot allow in this ball game.
Coach AG. Fabian with the ball. Ortuste, babawi ba ng tres? At babalik po ang NCAA Season 91. Yes,
I was about to say that, no?
Exactly, Coach.
He was down with dengue.
Fabian with the ball. Nandun si De La Paz. That is a nice defense para sa JRU Heavy Bombers. Back to De La Paz. Nandun si Fabian. Close out. Paulo Ponteos with that sticky boom! Whoa! Paulo Ponteos!
Solid up and under move. Paulo Ponteos. Layo ng range niya. If they don't close out, he will take it. If they close out, ang dami niyang spasyo para maka-atake.
Nung ating isang kapamilya, till the last buzzer. At ganyan maglaro itong panic ng JRU Heavy Bombers.
7 minutes remaining, third quarter. Let's see if Bradwin Quinto will do his job. That's going to be the fourth point.
Pero nahandito na ang community ng Perpetual Altas. At alam nila, ganyan ka-importante ang larong ito.
Pero dapat makita mo itong move na to, no? Tate Teodoro, third the Boomers Fans Club.
Ibalik natin kay Andre Felix, yung anak-anakan. Tumatakbo dito ang panic ng San Sebastian Stats. Preta, corner 3, and that is good. And tinawag siya ulit ni Coach Berhel Meneses. Siguro pinapagpag pa, no, Coach AG, itong mga fourth and final quarter.
Sa mga pangyayari this season, marami silang gustong i-improve pa on for the next season at dapat talaga natin silang abangan next season dahil next season mas gagaling na sila.
RU Heavy Bombers at Del Patucci with the ball. Laschetti, pull up. Nice looking pull up play para dito kay Laschetti, Coach AG.
Ito ng kupunan ni Coach Arik Del Rosario.
May tira pa ng stress at patuloy.